Tired of luggage that breaks, wobbles, or barely survives one trip? Today, I've got you covered with the 5 best luggage sets on Amazon that can make travel so much smoother. From durability to smart design, I'll break down what makes each set worth your money. And of course, I'll be honest about the pros and the cons. Whether you're a frequent flyer or an occasional traveler, these picks can level up your packing game big time. Let's dive in. Number 1. Overall best pick, Samsonite Freeform Hardside Expandable. The Samsonite Freeform Hardside Expandable 2-piece set, 21-inch and 28-inch, navy, is a smart pick for frequent travelers. It's impressively lightweight thanks to its durable polycarbonate shell, making both pieces easy to carry even when fully packed. The 360-degree double spinner wheels glide smoothly across airports, and the expandable design gives you extra room for souvenirs. The built-in TSA combination lock adds security without needing extra padlocks. However, the exterior isn't totally scratch-proof. It can pick up scuffs after a few trips. If you want reliable, stylish luggage that handles well, this set is a strong choice. Number 2. My second best pick, Kenneth Cole Reaction Chelsea Luggage Set. The Kenneth Cole Reaction Chelsea Chevron Quilted 2-piece luggage set, 20-inch and 28-inch, black, blends stylish design with practical functionality. Its quilted polyester twill exterior is chic and eye-catching, and the gold hardware adds a touch of elegance. The 8-wheel spinners glide smoothly, making navigating airports effortless. Both pieces also expand up to 2 inches, giving extra packing room when needed. The interior is thoughtfully lined, with garment straps and pockets to keep items organized. On the downside, the material isn't as rugged as hardshell luggage and tough easily over time. Still, it's a fashionable and functional set for regular travelers. Number 3. My third best pick, Wrangler Smart Luggage Set. The Wrangler Smart Luggage Set 3-piece black is an impressively functional set for modern travelers. The standout feature is its 3-in-1 utility. A built-in cup holder that doubles as a phone stand, plus a USB port so you can charge on the go, all really useful during long layovers or airport waits. The spinner wheels roll smoothly for easy maneuverability. The set also expands to give you extra room for souvenirs or bulkier packing. On the downside, many users note that the smart features are passive. The USB port won't power anything without a portable battery, and some report that the materials feel less durable than premium luggage. Still, for the price and convenience, it's a compelling pick. Number 4. My fourth best pick, Melaleunia Luggage Sets. The Melaleunia 7-piece hardshell luggage set, navy and brown, is a highly versatile and stylish travel solution. With 4 sizes of hard-side suitcases, a duffel bag, and organizer pouches, it's great for everything from weekend trips to long vacations. The 360-degree spinner wheels glide smoothly, and the telescopic handles feel stable. Each suitcase has a built-in TSA lock, which adds useful security when checking bags. The set nests inside the largest suitcase for compact storage, which is a clever space saver. On the downside, some users have reported durability issues over time. The ABS shell can scuff, and there are a few complaints about the larger cases being less rugged. But for the price, this set offers excellent value and solid design. Number 5. Last but not least, my 5th best pick, Kosobarn Luggage Sets. This 5-piece ABS hard case luggage set is a very practical option for all kinds of travel. The ABS material keeps things lightweight yet reasonably sturdy, and the spinner wheels roll smoothly in all directions, making airport navigation painless. The built-in TSA lock for the main suitcases adds a useful layer of security. Plus, having 3 sizes, 20-inch, 24-inch, and 28-inch, give you great flexibility for short getaways or long trips, and the duffel plus toiletry bag are excellent extras. The only downside, some customers say the shell feels thin. It's not as rugged as premium hard shells, so it may scratch or dent with heavy use. Still, for the price, it's a solid value-packed set. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.